Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will take a look at changing column width and row height. Here is our employee spreadsheet and let us take a look at rows first. In order to adjust the row height, all you need to do is, let's say for example, you want to increase the height of the row 10. Just go there. When you place your mouse between row 10 and row 11, there's a line there. If you hover your mouse over, you will see that little plus cursor with arrows pointing up and down. Once you have your mouse cursor displaying that, hold down your left mouse button and drag it down. That increases the height of the row. In a similar way, you can increase the width as well. All you have to do is go to the desired column and on the right hand side, place your mouse cursor over that line and it will change your mouse cursor similar to what we saw with the row. Then hold down your left mouse button and drag it to the right side. And it's very simple to decrease the width. All you do is drag it to the left, and same is with the row as well. You can do this. Now this is all manual adjustment. You can also do automatic adjustment, meaning say for example, you can see this yearly potential is not clearly visible, meaning I can do this. Now this is using more than what it needs, and if I do this, it is the display is not clear. One of the simplest ways is automatic adjustment, and for that all you do is take your mouse right there, say we need to adjust column G. So to the right of the column, once you see the mouse cursor has changed, all you have to do is double click it, and that will adjust to the text length. And same is with the the row as well. Say for example, if the row is something like that, it's thinner, it's not clear, all you do is double click. I mean, with one line of text, it really doesn't make sense, but if you have multiple lines in a cell, then adjusting just by double clicking would make more sense, because it's easy. You don't have to drag drop, just double click, you're done. Now there is another way to do this whole increasing, decreasing the width and the height using our ribbon. Make sure you're on the home and then go to cells, and then you have format, and then you have row height, row width, and there is also Autofit row height and Autofit column width. This Autofit is nothing but it will do the double click. See for example, these address lines are kind of rolling over to the next column, and in order to adjust this, make sure you select one of the cells in this particular column, then go to format and then do column width, but you do Autofit column width. Once you do that, it should start adjusting, but now as you've seen, it adjusted to this particular cell. Now do this, format and Autofit. Now it adjusted the whole thing. So you need to pay attention here. When you pick a cell and do it, it acts one way. When you pick the whole row, it acts the other way, meaning it will make sure that every cell in that particular column has enough width to display the whole text. Now same thing applies to the rows as well. Again, all you do is auto fit row height. You can also do the row height, row width. What this does is it will allow you to manually define the width using a number. See, it change the width of, the height of the row. Well, that's it about adjusting the row height and the column width. I will see you in the next video.